I had a beautiful espresso here at this hotel cafe bar, and now I'm going to take you on a walking tour to the foot of Apparition Hill. Come with me. Just to show you a bit how daily life is here in Medjugorje at the foot of Apparition Hill. Now we are going up Apparition Hill, on the bottom of Apparition Hill. You have to be very courageous at this time of the day to go up the hill because it's so hot. But I would like to show you how to get to Apparition Hill. You see, it's high season. You see how many people there are here in Medjugorje. This is the first time I'm seeing something like this here, that there are so many people. And if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and give a like. That would be very kind. Like this, we promote together Medjugorje and the beauty of Medjugorje around the world. Look at this, how many people there are. Isn't that incredible? Look at that. Never saw so many people here. Look at this.